Greetings from Providence, Rhode Island. Welcome to Rhode Island Foresight Television. We are RI4C TV.
For students in Rhode Island, this video explains what to watch on our YouTube channel RI4C TV, which is based in Providence. Our YouTube channel serves global viewers as well as the people of Rhode Island. Everyone is invited to watch the RI4C TV video series, Free Drone Filming, which shows the type of activities we can capture in drone filming for you free of charge. Go to ri4ctv.com/free for more information. If your friends are visiting Rhode Island, watch the RI4C TV video series, Visit Rhode Island, which shows how tourists leave their mark by letting RI4C TV capture one of their activities in Rhode Island through drone filming free of charge. Go to ri4ctv.com/free for more information. If you're a teenager or a college student, watch the first 4 videos of the series Grow Up With AOC. Together, these 4 videos last only 12 minutes, but they tell a still developing reality story of Charbel Hatcham, a teenager of Providence, Rhode Island.
So, my name is Charbel Hatcham. I'm 19 years old. I was born in Providence, raised in Providence, grew up in Providence. I went to George A. West Elementary School from kindergarten to 6th grade. Then I went to Nathaniel Green Middle School, 7th to 8th grade. Then I went to Mount Pleasant High School, freshman to senior year. I graduated high school at the age of 17 in 2017.
Within 12 minutes, you will see how Charbel Hatcham begins the journey of his life to create wealth from empty hands.
In this video, I would like to introduce you to 3 TV series available at RI4C TV on YouTube. The first TV series I want to introduce is Grew Up in Rhode Island. It is a TV program for the people of Rhode Island. The second TV series I want to introduce is Grew Up With AOC. It is a TV program for the people in the United States. The third TV series I want to introduce is PVD Philosophy. It is a TV program for everyone. The TV series PVD Philosophy is a great program for every member of our humanity. The first reality TV series I now introduce is Grew Up in Rhode Island. It is about people, events, and places in Rhode Island. If you live, work, or go to school in Rhode Island, you're invited to be a star in our TV series Grew Up in Rhode Island. In addition, you're also invited to join the public Facebook group by the same name, Grew Up in Rhode Island. As of February 2019, it has more than 37,000 members. The second reality TV series I now introduce is Grow Up With AOC. It is for you if you live in the United States. It is not about politics. The series Grow Up With AOC tells the story of those who are students and those who are still growing up after 2018. That is, during the political career of Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who was born in 1989. In this series, AOC only acts as a mark of the times. Those who are younger than AOC are all invited to consider taking part in this TV series. One of them is Charbel Hatcham of Providence, Rhode Island, 10 years younger than her, who did not know anything about her until he saw the first episode, The Race Is On. He was speechless. His reaction was captured by the second episode, The Starting Line.
Minutes ago, I've just watched this video. The race is on. The video left me speechless.
The third reality TV series I now introduce is PVD Philosophy. It is a TV program for everyone. The TV series PVD Philosophy is a great program for every member of our humanity. The first version of our philosophy was captured in 2017 by the original Thumos book. Its title is Thumos, Adulthood, Love, and Collaboration. Our TV series PVD Philosophy will explain everything in details, but here is a foretaste of our philosophy. The personal philosophy is how you let other people know about your way of life. When it is fully expressed, you know what you truly want to become. This knowledge is necessary for self-respect. Without an expression of our personal philosophy, we are not sure of our ideal self. Without knowing what you truly want to become, neither you nor others know how to respect your business of the self. People cannot avoid interfering in your business of the self if you do not tell them what it is. What defines your business of the self is your personal philosophy. Grew Up in Rhode Island, Grow Up With AOC, and PVD Philosophy are three of the many TV programs available at RI4C TV on YouTube. For our complete TV guide, visit ri4ctv.com. Thank you for watching RI4C TV.